Congratulations on your recent purchase of a KettyBot, and welcome to the Sparc family. In this video, we will go over everything you need to know to get KettyBot up and running. Here are a few of Ketty's main features. KettyBot has several cameras and sensors to help navigate your space. There are 2 cameras located on the front of the robot, there is one on the bottom, and it sits underneath the LiDAR sensor. There is also a camera sensor located on top of KettyBot. This sensor uses ceiling markers that are set up by our technicians to help navigate your space. If the top camera and sensor are blocked, then Ketty will become confused. If this happens, uncover the camera and place the robot under any ceiling marker. There are 2 ways to charge your KettyBot. The manual charging portal is located on the bottom panel. Remove the panel door and press the silver button on the plug. Insert the plug until you hear the click sound. To remove the cord, press the button again and pull the cord out of the socket. Then close the cover. The one-tap charge feature can be found on the main home menu. Pressing one-tap charge will automatically send KettyBot to its charging station. The battery charging connectors are located on the bottom of KettyBot. Once charging has begun, the battery power is displayed on the main screen. To release the charging mode, use 2 fingers to swipe down on the screen, then press Exit this mode. KettyBot will automatically release from the charging station and return to its designated starting location. Each KettyBot comes with removable tray covers. To clean the tray covers, simply peel them off and clean them by hand or place them in a dishwasher. When you're finished, just slip the cover back onto the tray. There is also a basket located on the lower shelf of the robot that can be used for delivery and takeout. The key portal is located on the lower panel of KettyBot. To lock the robot, remove the panel door, turn the key to the off position, and remove the key. To turn it on again, simply put the key back in the slot and turn to the on position. Close the panel door, and the robot will restart. To power up KettyBot, hold the on-off button located on top of the robot for 3 seconds. When you see the robot self-inspecting, push the robot under any ceiling marker to activate the sensors. To power down KettyBot, hold the on-off button for 3 seconds. You then choose Restart or Power Off. When you press Power Off, the robot will completely power down. The emergency stop button is located on top of the robot. When you press the button down, the robot will automatically stop. Press Emergency Stop Switch Reset, and then twist and pull up the emergency stop button to release. Press Cancel Task, then Yes when prompted to return to the home screen. Our technicians have installed markers on your ceilings to help Ketty know where it is at all times. There are 2 different sizes and colors depending on your ceiling height and color. Ketty can function in a space with up to 7-meter high ceilings. We try to keep the ceiling markers as inconspicuous as possible, and they're used to create routes for our robots to follow in your workspace. Main functions of KettyBot. There are 6 main functions you will find on Ketty's home screen: customer attraction, guiding mode, delivery mode, birthday mode, table service, and cruise mode. Let's look at each one in more detail. In the Customer Attraction tab, pressing Start will send the robot to its programmed greeting point. Next, in the Guiding Mode tab, you can select Ketty's destination and then press Start Guiding. Ketty will then guide your guests to the selected destination. To exit this mode, use 2 fingers and swipe down, then press Exit this mode. You will then return to the main menu page. In the Delivery Mode tab,
please enter your destination.
KettyBot has 3 trays to select from, and you can select up to 3 tables at once. If you want to change your selection, press the X beside the tray you want to remove. Once you're ready to send the robot, press Start. If you press the Settings icon, you can turn on the Delivery Arrival voice. You can choose from a selection of sentences you want the robot to say.
Here is your item. Come and pick it up.
You can also choose Play Music when delivering. There are several preloaded music tracks to choose from, but you can also upload your music right from your cell phone. You can choose to play music after a delivery has been made, configure a voice command, play the pickup number, or play table number during delivery. There is also the option to choose food delivery animation, which will show emoticons on Ketty's screen. And finally, you can select the amount of time before the robot auto-returns from its delivery by turning this function on and using the preset time intervals. In the Birthday Mode tab,
Please enter your destination.
you can select the music by pressing the musical note. Scroll through the many songs available for the robot to play. You can select play music upon arrival or turn music off completely. There is also smooth mode. Enable this when Ketty is carrying liquid items to ensure it doesn't spill. Click a destination and press start. The robot will automatically move to the location and begin the festivities.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Table service mode is for sending the robot to a single location. You can press go to the supply location, and the robot will move to the dishwasher or kitchen, whichever has been programmed by our team. In the Cruise Mode tab, you can choose Allow Interaction During Cruise, or choose to turn this function off. Our technicians can create several routes for the robots in Cruise Mode. Just select your route and press Start. Under Cruise Settings, you can customize the voice and what the robot will say. Select Play Voice During Cruise and choose your sentence. You can also customize different sentences and upload from our platform. You can also choose the cruise speed. We recommend you don't set it too fast. Here are some additional functions. On the homepage, press Return and the robot will automatically return to the kitchen as programmed by our tech team. Pressing One Tap Charge will send the robot automatically back to its charging station. Settings. Under the basic settings, we can adjust the brightness and choose from many different languages. Network settings connects the robot to the Wi-Fi. You can also control the robot remotely from your cell phone in this mode. In the Bluetooth tab, you can connect to Bluetooth devices like speakers or a printer. Map settings. Sparc technicians will design map routes specific to your workplace. By scrolling the screen, you can select a map where you want the robot to travel. If there are multiple maps programmed, select different destinations to your serving ports. You can choose to leave the robot there under the Select Customer Attraction location. The robot can also connect to the charging station here as well. In volume settings, you can adjust the music, voice, and keyboard tabs. In voice settings, you can select voice packets and tones. The work plan function is for our technicians. Consult your Sparc representative for this mode. Under the Music tab, you can play music from the playlist or import your own music by scanning the barcode with your phone and selecting files you would like to import. In Speed settings, you can set the delivery, return, and cruise speed of the robot and the speed at which the brakes are applied when it stops. To use the calling function, scan the QR code with your phone and download the Pudu app. Then tap to generate the QR code. You can also adjust the waiting times after the robot arrives in response to a call. Usually this is set to 10 seconds, but it can be set to as much as 180 seconds. In function settings, you can choose different eyes for your KettyBot. KettyBot has the option to have one eye or two eyes displayed on the main screen, which is great to let you know when he's sleeping. In password and security, you can lock the robot and change the password. Click Change Password and insert a new code when prompted. For example, when the robot is in cruise mode, customers may want to touch it, which forces KettyBot to stop. You would then re-enter the password to make the robot move again. When safety switch is enabled, the robot will lock, making it unable to move manually. You can also choose passability settings. The minimum distance is 55 centimeters. Version upgrade is a mode for our technicians. We do not recommend clients update the robots themselves. In ad screen settings, you can import different advertisement options from the Pudu link found in your cell phone app. Here, you can add advertisement artwork or video to play as the robot moves around your business. You can also adjust the volume of your advertisement or turn it off completely. You can adjust the screen brightness here as well. About Us and Debug are for internal use and should only be adjusted by our technicians. KettyBot also connects to websites, so online content can play on its monitors. To activate this option, press Customer Attraction and then press Start. In this mode, you can connect to online content and websites. To browse websites, scroll the screen using your finger. You navigate the screen just like an iPad, iPhone, or Android device. For example, to find information about all Sparc robots, scroll to the image of the robot you are interested in. You can meet KettyBot and learn all about its functions with one touch of the screen. You can also find specific videos about the robots that play on the display screen.
Ooh, this looks good.
In this mode, there is also a Follow Me function.
Check the destination and I'll lead the guest there.
Choose the destination you want the robot to lead the customer to, then press Start Guiding. The robot will lead the customer to the program table you want them to sit at. To exit this mode, use 2 fingers and swipe down to change screens. Then press Exit this mode and return to the home page. We hope you enjoy your KettyBot. To learn more information or for technical advice, please contact us at www.sparkglobaltech.com.